All right, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to blur stuff in your background in Davinci Resolve. Wait a second. Why is this so blurry? Is it supposed to be like that? Just kidding, you guys. Okay, so that's the effect we're going to be going for today. We're going to be blurring out the background as well as showing you some really cool features that you can do with this brand new effect in Davinci Resolve 19. You might be wondering why you might want to do this in Davinci. And it's very simple. It comes down to a couple of different reasons. You might want to actually highlight a subject, make the camera really focus in on them to create some depth to an image or video. Create all these different layers so the image doesn't look all flat. And lastly, my favorite, which you're going to break into in this effect, which I'm going to show you later, the coolest part about this thing is you can create a whole different mood and scene. So let's not waste any time. Let's jump into DaVinci and show you guys how to do this. So jumping into DaVinci, we just have a video of this lady walking on the beach. We're gonna jump right into the color page. And the first thing you're gonna wanna do is open up this effects tab. And then you're gonna type in defocus background. So we're just going to drag this onto our clip, onto our node. And the cool thing about this effect is that you can use this in both the free version and the studio version. If you have the studio version, you're going to be using the magic mask to really make this effect a lot easier to use. So we're just going to highlight our subject with the magic mask and mask them out. If you don't have the studio version, you can use the power windows and mask them with the pen tool, but we have the magic mask tool, so we're going to use this. So I'm going to select mask preview just to see what we have selected, and I'm going to hold Alt, get rid of this little grain of sand on the ground. So that's pretty good. Now we're going to finish tracking this back and forth. We're just going to let DaVinci do its thing. And when it's done, we masked out our subject. This is where the magic happens. We can come in here and we can just go to our part of our scene where we can see her. You might not notice this, but the background is already starting to blur a little bit. But you can really crank this thing up. I mean, to the point where she doesn't even look like really part of this scene anymore. So if you're going for that effect, great. But we're not particularly going for that. I just want more of a simple blur just to put a little bit more focus onto her. And where this effect really gets cool is in the color. You can create a quick little LUT with this effect. You can make it black and white. You can also come here to my favorite part of this effect, and you're actually going to be able to colorize it and make it a completely different mood. It's almost as if the weather has completely changed. The whole mood of the clip is just completely different. So that's with the color of blue. What if we did something like a red? It's just different times of day. There's so much stuff that you can do with this. We just made the scene more bright. I don't know about you guys. I think this effect is freaking awesome. If you guys love it too, make sure you guys slap that like button, slap that subscribe button. And because we're on the road to 10K, guys, I need your help getting there. So don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below what you guys want to see next time in DaVinci Resolve.